Today I'm excited to start my new role in OpsRamp. It's all about AIOps. It's all about digital transformation. If you're in that business right now, you probably have a lot of this stuff going on. You have servers and storage on-prem, you have applications and services in the cloud, you're starting to use microservices and containers to develop, you have DevOps teams doing regular sprints. It's very difficult to manage this large, complex hybrid environment unless you can see everything in one place. And what the OpsRamp platform does is exactly that. It allows you to put metrics from everything into a single data repository. You can even bring metrics in from your existing tools as well. And by being able to do that, we can see everything in one place. We can consolidate the metrics. We can give you really good visibility on your application performance and make sense of what's really going on. The other aspect to this is if there's an event, we can very quickly sift through and find the root cause by being able to see all the metrics in one place, by applying machine learning to that big data platform. So it's a SaaS-based product. It's in the cloud. It allows you to see your entire operations, keep everything running really, really smoothly. It also allows you to consolidate your tools, save cost there, and really bring down the MTTD and MTTR and improve your service levels. So I'm really excited to get going. I really want to have some conversations with you in the market, understand where you're at in your digital transformation journey and how OpsRamp and AIOps can really help.